Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make journal pages in your Canva. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So there's so many options. You can either do it manually or you can go to design and type in, let's say, journal. Okay, there's so many journal pages you can copy and you can this looks quite let's say this right here. So this is the premium one. You cannot use it. I have to look for something that is like this is quite nice. So this is the portfolio. It says portfolio. So what you gotta do is tap in let's say you can type in your name as well. Alright. You can type in your name and so for that. This is one option. Another option, you can do it manually. So let's go to another page. Let's go to element and let's type in something like floral. Yeah. So maybe something like floral background would be better. Let's see something. Again, it's quite nice. Set this image background and let's go to element and let's type in for some square or something like that. Okay, title. Let's go to see all these are all the title boxes. So let's say which one matches well. Oh right, maybe this one over here. Let's make it a bit bigger and let's type in T and here let's type in journal Canva. A bit bigger. Okay, we get something like over here, make it way bigger. Can change the fonts as well, virtual. Yeah, it's fine over here. This is the simple one. So in order to do more, you can simply add pages and type in your line and stuff. So yeah, this is how you make journal pages in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.